This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you gotta swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar in order for the notification center to be launched. Then locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks exactly like so, then touch and hold on it. Then tap on a Wi-Fi network that you would like to share the password of, and once at the network details page, click on the share icon at the bottom right corner of your display, and as you can see over here will be provided with the QR code, which can be further used to automatically connect any other device to the Wi-Fi network through scanning it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.